This is the Weather Xtreme video for Tuesday, August 27th, the afternoon edition. I'm James Spann. Nice, quiet weather today. Temperatures warming up a little bit as the week rolls along, and we'll probably see a few scattered storms popping up again late this week and over the weekend. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, that's the view coming from Inverness. And by the way, did you see these? The hole punch clouds this morning. Fault streak holes. We have those all over the state. Had so many images this morning. You can read up about that over on the blog. Let's see, Fayette Skycam. The sky there is mostly sunny, and on the Alabama Gulf Coast, the weather looks good down at Gulf Shores, where they will be mostly dry for the rest of this week. Big old upper high over Missouri and Kansas, and we're kind of on the eastern periphery of that. And again, down in the low levels, we have this northeast flow, and that's helping to bring in some very nice continental air. Those are 2 o'clock temperatures. Only 84 at Birmingham, 82 at Fort Payne. You know, the models had us up in the 90s today. They're struggling. And I think the guidance is still way too hot for the next 7 days. But no doubt we'll see the numbers creeping up. We'll probably touch 90 later in the week. But, you know, we've only hit 90 on 5 days during the month of August, and this is August 27th. That's remarkable. Hottest weather is underneath the upper high, places like Omaha, Kansas City, Wichita, Des Moines. They got a heat advisory up that way for much of Iowa, some of the adjacent states, and severe weather possibilities for the rest of today and tonight. The standard slight risk for cities like Milwaukee, Grand Rapids, Detroit, Cleveland, Columbus, almost over to Pittsburgh. No formal risks tomorrow, just a couple of 5% zones. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. Nothing under the upper high, but this is showing rain amounts of about a tenth of an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch, and this is valid through Sunday morning. And again, probably beginning Friday, we'll start to see the afternoon showers popping up again, but they'll be pretty scattered. Check the weather in the tropics. The guys at NHC have circled a little disturbance that's at the southern tip of Florida, and they only give that a 10% chance of developing over the next 5 days. That thing is drifting north. There's a hint of a little circulation there if you look at the radar loop kind of coming out of Miami, but again, the odds of that becoming something significant are relatively small. Check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Upper high is centered near Springfield, Missouri. And down below that, weather stays sunny. We'll be near 90 tomorrow, maybe upper 80s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs 90, 91, something like that. And then Friday, you can see the moisture coming back. We'll bring in the chance of a few pop-up afternoon showers and storms. Not going to be a big issue, but, high school football kicks off Friday night, so just be aware. When those games kick off, 7:30, somebody might see a shower, but rain should not be widespread. Saturday, as we start the weekend, the upper high breaking down and kind of shifting to the southwest, and down below that, we got a pretty decent little moisture pool in here, so we'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. In this run, a little more aggressive with the moisture return. In fact, Sunday, you can see how Alabama, Georgia, and a pretty good moisture axis. So for the weekend, looks like a mix of sun and clouds with a chance of scattered showers and storms. Better chance, of course, will come during the afternoon and evening hours with a high around 90. Monday of next week, pretty much the same deal, chance of a few storms. And here's Tuesday, a week from today. Nice cool trough up in the northeast, upper high over the Texas Panhandle, and down below that, a nice cool air mass pushing in from the north. Cool front moving down into Tennessee, and we'll see if that might enhance the coverage of showers and storms around then. Let's go out there on the 11th of September, 9/11. Got a big old trough coming through the northeast, and look what that trough's picking up. A tropical system being swept out to sea. And look at the cool air. The 540 line is almost like down to Allentown, Pennsylvania, and State College. That is some cold air for September. Woo, that's exciting. And we would be in continental air down here. That'll put us down in the 50s if this is right. That looks good. And the following day on the 12th, we still have the cool air in place and that tropical system coming up toward the Canadian Maritimes. And yeah, this is all voodoo, but something like that is very possible. And the consistency in the idea has actually been pretty good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.